because I was assaulted by her boyfriend. He hit me with a gun from behind.
So he sentenced you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine? All right. So what started this argument? What's the argument? Court is calling 2023 CR 8904, State of Texas versus Tanya Ortega. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
Defense?
Humberto Sullivan.
And are you Tanya Ortega?
Yes, Your Honor.
Ms. Ortega, I'm showing you what's entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Understand you're charged with the offense of aggravated robbery. That's a first-degree felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 5 to 99 years or life in prison and up to $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
Did you understand if the court were to grant your application for deferred adjudication, if for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty, sentence you up to life in prison and up to $10,000 fine?
Yes, Your Honor.
According to the plea, there's a $1,500 fine, affirmative finding of deadly weapon. State recommends deferred. There's to be restitution, if any, to Michelle, Michelle Young. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, Your Honor.
Defense?
Yes, Your Honor.
State?
It is, Your Honor.
Next, I'm showing you outside the agreement. The state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 8 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 200 hours community service restitution, and no contact with Michelle Young. Did you understand those were recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, Your Honor.
Then to the offenses charged, how do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
All right. After reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty. Court will defer finding of guilt as you apply for deferred adjudication. Are we proceeding with sentencing?
Yes, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
No, Your Honor.
All right. So what started this argument? What's the argument about?
So the lady was upset with me because I was assaulted by her boyfriend. He hit me with a gun from behind and called in this aggravated robbery. Said that I held a gun, took her phone and her makeup.
Okay. And I see what the witnesses are saying as well. So what is up with the tattoos, the writing over the eyes? Whose name is that?
I have 2 kids. It's my son and my daughters. I've failed as of yet to be a mom that I really want to be for my kids, and I feel somewhat this is the way I can express to them that I love them. It's silly in part, but maybe if they see something, they know that my mistakes are not towards them, and the love that I have for them is just bad choices that I've made.
All right. And how old are your children?
9 and 12. My parents have adopted them to the state of Texas so they could go to college. Have a good,
Well,
stable home.
they adopted them so they could go to college, but you're right, that last part for them to have a stable
Yes.
home. Do you have any
talked
plans to
them-
have any more children?
No,
Okay.
I'm done. But I've taken parenting and I've done a lot of things while in TDC, and I went to college in TDC and I got an associates in horticulture, and I'm in their lives, and I can't just go in and rearrange everything that my parents have done. I don't have that right. So I'm grateful that my mom and dad allow me to co-parent with them, and slowly but surely I will re-enter their lives and use my mistakes as an example of things I've made a pathway for them not to experience.
All right. And what is the tattoo on your chest about?
It's a cover-up. I've like I said, made poor choices, and it's a name that I wanted to get covered up.
Any gang affiliation with you?
No, Your Honor.
Drug use?
No, Your Honor.
So why did Child Protective Services come in?
Well, my parents adopted my kids 7 years ago, and at that time I was on a bad route.
All right. So what drugs were you using at that time?
I was smoking marijuana.
CPS does not. I did a lot of CPS cases. There was more going on than smoking marijuana. What else was going on?
No, I was just smoking marijuana, but I was in a very bad relationship with my daughter's dad, and that was another factor to bring into the.
And what's that father's name?
Eduardo Sotelo, but he's dead and he rests in peace.
All right.
He died of a OD on synthetic marijuana. His heart exploded 3 years ago.
Okay. All right. This is what the court is going to do. There's a $1,500 fine. It will be probated. There's an affirmative finding of deadly weapon. There's to be no contact and restitution to Michelle Young. There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Proof of employment within 30 days of release. There's to be no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Random regular UAs. We can do a gang evaluation. Field visits. One time per month until further notice. And probation, once you all start doing the field visits, you all can always send me something if you wish to discontinue that. But for now, it's going to be one time per month until further notice. 200 hours of community service restitution. 8 years deferred adjudication. Anger management. Probation, is there anything else she needs? We'll do a TAP evaluation, and the TAP evaluation can be done out of custody. And follow TAP recommendations. If they recommend inpatient treatment, we'll start with intensive outpatient treatment. And I'm going to want 90 sober meetings in 90 days. Anything else, probation? All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
Judge, we're just going to ask if she chooses to continue her academic career, could that some of those hours be used for community service?
Yes. But I will tell you this. If you're continuing with your academic career in this court, you must be doing at least 8 hours per semester.
Your Honor, is there any local parenting classes that you could refer me to?
Yes.
There's always.
All right. Well, I'll add parenting classes.
Thank you.
And if she completes when she completes the parenting classes, we can knock off 100 hours of community service restitution.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Is there anything else you need from the court?
Thank you very much.
We really appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.
All right. I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. Good luck to you. We can go off the record. In this court, probation is not easy. That's what the deputies tell me all the time.
But it's doable. It's very doable.
It's doable. So if there's an issue, discuss it with your probation officer. If you feel like they're not addressing it, you can always come to court and we will address it here.
Thank you so much, Your Honor.
All right. You're welcome.